Hi everyone, Lydia here. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today, I am going to show you a quick tip about sharpening a photo in Photoshop. Some of you may already know this, but for those who are new to Photoshop, I'll share the easiest way to sharpen your photos. First, you want to open the photo that you want to sharpen. Here, I have already opened the photo. In the menu bar, I will go to Image, Duplicate. Click OK. Now you can close the original, but I'll just leave it like that. Press Ctrl J, Mac Command J twice to create two copies of the background layer. In the menu bar, go to Filter, Other, High Pass. In the High Pass dialog box, set the radius to your preference. Here, for this example, I will set the radius to 5 pixels and then click OK. Go to the Layers panel and change the blending mode to either Overlay, Soft Light, Hard Light, Vivid Light. See, as you can see, the effects are different. Hard Mix is really cool. But I think I will use Vivid Light for this example. Now, adjust the opacity of the blending mode in the Layers panel. You don't have to do it. This is 100% opacity and this is 80%. So I think I will leave it to 90% opacity. So here, as you can see, this is the before and this is the after. The image is now sharpened and ready to go. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Your support means so much to me. Hope you all have a wonderful day and keep on scrapping. Bye now.